if you want to maintain your privacy while using Swiggy, hiding your online status can be a useful feature. Follow these steps to adjust your settings. Step 1. Open the Swiggy app. Launch the Swiggy application on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Go to Profile Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu option, usually located at the bottom or top of the screen. Look for the Settings or Account section within your profile. Step 3. Find Privacy Settings. In the Settings menu, locate the Privacy or Account Settings option. This section will allow you to manage your visibility and online status. Step 4. Toggle Online Status. Look for the option related to online status or visibility. You may find a toggle switch that allows you to hide your online status. Switch it off to ensure you are not visible to others. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your online status, make sure to save any changes you made. Exit the settings and return to the main app interface. Now you can enjoy using Swiggy without worrying about your online visibility. Remember to check your settings periodically, as updates may change how these features work.